Inbound voicemail recordings are greetings you can basically upload for inbound calls that come to you. So, for example, you're tied up in a meeting, you're on a call already, somebody calls into your shaped number. You can upload a voicemail greeting so that when they reach your voicemail, it's custom to you. It plays whatever recording you want it to play. A lot of people mix that up with pre-recorded voicemail drop. Just know that voicemail greetings, inbound voicemail recordings, wherever you see it called as inbound, that just means that that's for your custom voicemail. Whereas outbound voicemail drops, those are for you to leave voicemails for customers. So if you haven't already, go to phone in your user profile and you'll have a voicemail greetings section. This is where you can drag and drop to upload a file. If you haven't already, it'll already be in here for you to utilize. Those of you that are admins, you will have inbound voicemail recordings in your settings. So anything that you have that's ready to use, you will have here. You can hit the three dots to listen to it. If you want to make sure that you're using the right one, feel free to, or upload a new one straight from here as well. Now, to attach that to your voicemail, you'll just go to inbound call routing. That's where you'll find all of your inbound call routes that you have set up already. If you don't have one, just hit add a new rule in the top right to set up your IVR. That being said, if you're having any trouble with it, feel free to reach out to our support team so that they can handle that for you. In this case, I'm going to go to inbound call routing, this one that I already have set up. And the voicemail will be down at the very bottom. You'll have missed call settings and the voicemail inbox message here, where you'll select the voicemail that you want to leave. Those of you that may be using IVRs, you'll be able to add that IVR menu here as well. These are going to be for button presses for calls that come in. So if they come in and you want to have a message that says press 1 for user 1, press 2 for user 2, press 3 for user 3, and so on, you can upload that as a inbound voicemail recording and then assign those button presses to where they need to go. So for example, if I already have the recording ready, I can add that as a greeting. I can put a pause if I need to, but for the most part, usually there's not a pause. And I can name the menu item. So I'm going to say this one will be press 1. The key will be 1. And the rule is I want it to go to inbound call route Alex. So press 1 is going to go to Alex. Once I'm done, I just hit add rule. And we're good to go on press 1. I can continue to build this out to press 2. Button selection 2, and where do I want that to go? Let's say we want that to blast the LOA department. Super easy, just hit add rule. And now I can continue to build that out if I'm looking to build an IVR with an inbound voicemail recording as well. Hopefully this video helps clarify on how that feature works, how to upload those recordings. If you guys have any questions on that, don't hesitate to reach out to help@setshape.com.